how to create Wattpad account. So if you want to create Wattpad account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, make sure that you install the application. After installing your Wattpad, you need to open it or launch the application. After launching, it will take you to this kind of interface. So if you already have an account, you can go with the bottom where it says I already have an account, and you can go and log into your account. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create one, then you can go with sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook or sign up with your email as well. So I'll just simply go with Google. Go and select your Google account. Tap on continue, which will be on the bottom. And you don't need to enter your date of birth, your username, your email address, or everything. You can just simply go and select these boxes right here and then go with continue again, which will be on the bottom. It will use all of the information that you have on your Google account and will create an account for you. And that's it. That's how you can create your account. Tap on got it, and then if you go with your profile, which will be on the top, then your account has been created. Or it may ask you to enter your password or create your password. You need to just simply go and enter your password and proceed with the following steps. That's how you can create a Wattpad account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.